a Big Mac, and I eat one of these almost every single day. I'm 38 years old, I'm a retired bodybuilder, and I've been under 10% body fat now for 3 years, eating like this every single day. So in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you the exact recipe, the exact macros, and the system behind it so that you can eat like this every single day and get to 10% body fat. And stick around because the actual Big Mac sauce, the game changer sauce, that's the thing that most people get wrong. So here's what you've been told your entire life. If you want abs, if you want to be lean, 10% body fat, you need to eat chicken and rice, broccoli, and you need to do cardio until you wither away into nothing. So I did that for 20 years as a competitive bodybuilder, and it worked until it didn't work. And when I retired, I decided that I was no longer gonna eat like a friggin' prisoner the rest of my life. So what I did was I rebuilt every single food that I love: burgers, pizza, pancakes, ice cream, cupcakes. Oh, love them cupcakes. Using one simple skill. It's called macrolation, AKA macro manipulation. And it's the same food, but it's just different math. And the math is where the game actually changes. All right, so let's build this Big Mac macrolation style. A real Big Mac from McDonald's is about 590 calories with 25 grams of protein. Super low protein, super high fat. My Big Mac variation is 482 calories with 46 grams of protein. Fewer calories, nearly double the protein. So let's individually swap all these ingredients out and show you how the calories actually get reduced and how the protein gets raised up while minimizing the fat. The beef is 96.4 extra lean ground beef. This is swap number one. Regular fast food beef is 20-30% fat. So we're not giving up the burger. All we're doing is giving up the extra grease. We're gonna mix in dehydrated onion and a little Worcestershire sauce. Form super thin patties. Thin is the trick. 2 patties feels like way more food. The cheese, if you don't care about processed foods, you can go with fat-free slices. They are lower in calorie, only about 30 calories. They're a great source of protein, but they got some extra additives into it. So what I do is I just get the ultra thin sliced cheese. So then you can get 2 slices of cheese for less calories than 1 slice. It's about 80 calories for 2 slices of cheese, 6 grams of protein. But now the most important part, let's talk about the sauce, because this is what makes it or breaks it. So the ingredients are 3 tablespoons of fat-free Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of light mayo, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free ketchup, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. So before I get roasted in the comments, because my Big Mac short that got a couple 100,000 views, people were rip shit about me adding ketchup into the sauce, because natural Big Mac sauce does not have ketchup. But because we are making a high protein, lower calorie version of the Big Mac sauce, we're adding the zero fat Greek yogurt. Zero fat Greek yogurt is super tart, almost like bitter. It gives you that mouth texture where it's like, I'm talking about. So we got to add the ketchup, the sweetness, to cut through that. And because we have the pickle juice and the apple cider vinegar, which blends very nicely, the ketchup gives it just this amazing flavor. It does add color to it, but that's not why we're adding it. The paprika is actually what gives the Big Mac sauce its yellowish color. But 2 really big tricks that I've found, and I just did this by accident, is for the pickle juice, I use a Wickles pickles. I don't know if they have that in Europe. I know in America, every grocery store, Walmart, you can get Wickles pickles, which are spicy pickles. That spicy pickle juice combined with, instead of regular paprika, you do smoked paprika. Those 2 combinations give the Big Mac sauce this incredible zesty flavor. It's so punchy. It's like because of the spicy pickle juice and the smoked paprika, it's not overpowering, but it tastes so much better, guys. So then we just put it all together. You can toast the bun if you want, stack it all up, and add that sauce on there. And what's crazy about this is that sauce, the amount that we made, is literally 20 times what you would get from going to McDonald's. 20 times, and that's including it in the 482 calories. If you were to eat the whole thing, which you're not going to because you will not taste any burger whatsoever. Like, it's so much Big Mac sauce, it's crazy. I literally added a spoon of Big Mac sauce to every single bite I took, and I used half of the sauce. So it's an absolute game changer. I highly recommend for the sauce, guys. Make it in a large quantity and then put it in a container or a squirt bottle, keep it in your fridge. That way you have it for any burgers throughout the week. It tastes amazing on tacos as well. It's very versatile. All right, so now let's talk about the math and why it matters here. The burger isn't really the point, it's the pattern, it's the macrolation that I'm showing you guys how you can apply this to every single meal. Getting lean is simply the calories and the protein. That's it. If you eat fewer calories than you burn, you're gonna lose weight. And you keep that protein high enough to maintain the muscle and build muscle. See, the problem with diets, it's not the science, it's that they hand you food that you hate and they call it discipline. See, discipline always runs out. It always diminishes. See, no one's gonna quit a diet that's made out of Big Macs, tacos, ice cream, pancakes, pizza, cookies. That's just a normal Tuesday. So the skill isn't suffering. The skill is looking at any food and asking two questions. Where is the fat hiding in this food? And where can I add protein? If you answer those two questions to any food on planet Earth, you can remake it and lose weight and not suffer and not stress about food. So what would a full day look like? You're probably like, okay, one burger, cool, but how do you do this every single day with every single meal and get to 10% body fat and get lean and maintain all your muscle? So for breakfast, Oreo pancakes, 600 calories, 47 grams of protein, IHOP style, buttermilk style, super delicious. And then what you guys just saw me make, the Big Mac for lunch. And then for dinner, a Meat Lover's flatbread pizza, 600 calories, 64 grams of protein. On average, that's 1,632 calories for the day for those 3 meals and 157 grams of protein. So add in another meal, get it to 2,000 calories, and you have almost a 200 gram protein day for less than 2,000 calories. So usually at the end of the day, I would either make a big Greek yogurt bowl, something that has a lot of volume, or I would make a homemade ice cream, or I would use a Ninja Creamy style ice cream for 300, 350 calories, 30, 40 grams of protein. So you have less than 2,000 calories for the entire day, almost 200 grams of protein. That's how you're gonna get to 10% body fat and be able to do it every single day and not suffer. I suffered for years, for 2 decades, doing chicken and rice, fasted cardio in the morning on the stair stepper. I haven't done cardio in 3 years, guys. All I do is count my steps. That's it. I get 10 to 12,000 steps every single day, and it's not like I dedicate walking sessions. I don't even think about it. I literally just walk around between my sets at the gym. I park further away when I go to the grocery store. Super simple stuff. You can eat like this every single day, not stress about food, and just walk and get to 10% body fat. So here's the truth about what you guys just watched. One recipe is a trick. A full day of eating is a plan. A full 12 weeks of it, every single meal remade to lower fat, higher protein, eating all your favorite foods for 12 weeks, that's a transformation. That's the exact 12-week system I would hand to a friend or family member that wants to get in the best shape of their life without having to stress and without having to add crazy amounts of suffering to their life. And that's the exact system I built. 12 modules, 52 video lessons, 12 worksheets, 12 guides, and a private community of all guys over 30 years old that are all doing the exact same thing. It's at getleanafter30.com. The link's in the description. But whether you guys buy anything from me or not, there's a link in the description for my 3 free recipes. Go check that out, try them out for yourself, see how amazing they taste, and watch the weight fall off. You guys don't need better discipline. You just need a smarter strategy in place so that you can not stress about your life and eat all of your favorite foods and not have to add 10 hours of cardio every single week. I'm Neil and I eat Big Macs almost every single day. Subscribe if you guys want to see the rest of my menu. Next week, I'm going to break down my full pizza night. I'll see you guys there.